Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we finished up to question number 93. Coming to question number 94. Question number 94, the area bounded by the curves y equal to log x to the base e, y equal to log x to the base e whole square. Now here limits also not given, we need to find the limits. Now how to find the limits means where these two are intersecting we don't know, we need to find that by intersecting, solving these two equations 1 and 2. Both side left side value is equal, that's why log x to the base e equal to log x to the base e whole square. Now log x to the base e minus log x to the base e whole square equal to 0. I will take common log x to the base e common, remaining 1 minus log x to the base e equal to 0. Product of two terms 0 means either first value 0 or second value 0. Log x to the base e is 0 or 1 equal to log x to the base e. Now here e power 0 will come, that is x is equal to 1. Next here x equal to e power 1, that is x equal to e. These are the x values we got, those two intersecting at 1 and e. Okay, now based on these we can take the graph. Y axis and x axis 0, 1, 2. I am taking e is 2.7 something, taking e value like this. Now first log x graph, x value 1, log 1 value, that means y value 0. X value if you take log 2 means how much you will get? 0.414 you will get some value. So 414 means here 1 if you take, here 2 and here e is there. 0.414 you will get at 2. Now the graph will go like this. E if you take log e base e you will get 1. This is y is equal to log x to the base e graph. Next log x to the base e whole square. Now y cannot be 0, condition wise if you take, so y if you take 0 means what, or when 0 will get x value 1 if you take, y value 0, here only point. Now next xi will take e. Xi take e means log e base e 1 only will get, here we will get the graph condition wise. Now if you take 2, log 2 base e, that is y is equal to log 2 base e whole square. Now 0.4 whole square if you take, what you will get? 0.16 you will get. This is still less value, 414 compare, still less means you will get like this curve at 2. And if you take below of this value, for example if you take 1 by 2, still you will get less value, but is not touching y axis, because x cannot be 0. X cannot be 0. So y is equal to log x to the base. If you take in between 0 to 1, these are values will exist for y. It will be increasing, but it never touches the y axis, because on y axis x value 0 means function is not defined. Okay, now this is the reason we need to find here. From where to where? 1 to e, upper is log x, lower is log x base e whole square. That value we need to find. Now still we can do in another manner, same. Yeah, do it with respect to x axis only. Area equal to integral 0 to 1. Upper curve is log x, lower curve is log x whole square. Base is always e only. Okay, na? Now we need to integrate this. How to integrate these values? Simple manner, integral 0 to 1 log x into 1 dx minus integral 0 to 1 log x whole square into dx. Now integral of log x, already we know formula. What? X into log x minus 1, 0 to 1. Now in this we don't have the formula. Integral 0 to 1 log x whole square into dx. Apply u formula. U is equal to log x whole square, v dash equal to 1, u dash. Log x whole square derivative is 2 log x by x. Log derivative 1 by x. V integral of 1 dx, that is x we will get. Now from this term, x log x minus 1, or if you multiply x inside, what you will get? X log x minus x from 0 to 1. Here uv formula, u log x whole square into v is x. For this we need to apply limits first, 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1, 2 log x by x into x dx. Here x gets cancelled consideration wise. Here x log x minus x from 0 to 1. Here x log x whole square from 0 to 1, minus into minus plus 2 into integral 0 to 1. 2 if you common means integral 0 to 1 log x dx value is what? X into log x minus 1 from 0 to 1. Now both are same terms only. Na? So if we multiply, total 3 times you will get, or directly substitute the limit. No issue. 1 log 1 value 0 minus 1 minus. Now tending to 0 means here 0 into log, but log 0 not defined, but when x is tending to 0, this value also always tending to 0 only, so 0 will come minus 0. Next, here upper limit 1 log 1 value 0. Here also when it's tending to 0, what will get? 0 will come value wise. Sorry, not 0 to 1 na. Value taken wrong ma. Limit is from where to where? 1 to e, not 0 to 1. Change the limits here. 1 to e we need to take. With respect to x, y axis means we can take like that. With respect to x means 1 to e only. 1 to e, change everywhere limits. 1 to e, 1 to e. Limits are from 1 to e ma. Everywhere change the values. Here also limits is from not 0 to 1, that is 1 to e, because we are taking with respect to y axis. That's why it will be changed now correctly. Substitute upper limit. E into log e base e 1 minus e minus of 1, substitute 1 log 1 0 minus 1 minus of, here minus of minus plus we will get now, later we can take, no problem. By integrating this value, where x into log x whole square from 1 to e, minus of minus plus 2 take common. Integral of log x dx formula we know already. X log x, x into log x minus 1. If you multiply x inside, x log x minus x from 1 to e. Now here e minus e 0, minus of minus plus 1, minus e into log e, base is e only always, that's why 1. Minus if you substitute 1 into log 1, 0. Next, plus 2 into upper limit, e log e base e 1 minus e. Minus lower limit, 1 into log 1, 0 minus 1. Which value left here? 1 minus e. 2 into e minus e into 1 e minus e 0 minus of minus plus 1. So 1 minus e plus 2. Answer is 3 minus e. Now 3 minus e is there in which option? Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 95. Area bounded by the curve y equal to x into 1 minus log x to the base e on the x axis we need to find. Now on x axis y value 0, to find intersection point on x axis y value 0. 0 equal to x into 1 minus log x to the base c, either x value 0 or 1 minus log x to the base c equal to 0. From this 1 equal to log x to the base c, if you convert into exponential, 1 equal to log x means x equal to what you can write e power, that is e. The limits we got clearly from 1 to e. Consideration wise, the values we have to take from where to where. If x value 0, 0 into this log value tending to 0 means 0 will get. X value 1, if we take 1 into 1 minus log 1 value 0, that means what you will get 1 only. If we take 2, log 2 value how much? 0.414. 1 minus 414 is will get 0.6 will get. 0.6 into 2. 0.6 into 2 means what will get? 1.2 will get. It's more than 1 will get. Only for drawing graph understanding purpose. This is a graph will go like this. Again y at e also 0 curve, y value 0. Reason, if we take x value e into 1 minus log e to the base c 1. 1 minus 1, 0 will get. That's why this is the curve area present. That's the graph of the curve. Only single curve is there. The required area from 0 to e only, because 0 to e only the area is present. Curve is what? If you multiply x inside, what you will get? X minus x log x. Base is e only always into dx. Integral of x dx we know already. What you will get? X square by 2. 0 to e. Integral 0 to e x log x dx. According to Euler rule, log is the first priority. Log x equal to u or v dash equal to x. U dash 1 by x. V integral of x dx. What you will get? X square by 2. Now from this, first value substitute limit means what you will get? E square by 2 or lower limit 0 minus of u into v. U is log x. V is x square by 2. For this limits if you take from 0 to e, minus of integral 0 to e, u dash is 1 by x. V is x square by 2. One x value gets cancelled. E square by 2. Now x square by 2 log x from 0 to e, minus of minus plus 1 by 2 common. Which value left remaining? Integral of x only. Integral of x formula is what? X square by 2 from 0 to e. From this e square by 2 minus, if you substitute upper limit, e square by 2 into log e base e is 1. For lower limit, x is tending to 0, this 0 into any value you will get 0. Plus 1 by 2 in total, e square by 4 minus lower limit means 0 by anything, 0 you will get. Here e square by 2 minus e square by 2 plus e square by 4. These two values gets cancelled. Answer is e square by 4. That is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 111. Because remaining are definite integrals problems. The area bounded by the curves y equal to cos inverse x, y equal to sin inverse x, comma y equal to minus pi x cube, from where minus 1 to plus 1. So the values we need to find here. First to draw the graphs of these equations, then you can understand. Zero. Here if you take number only will come here exactly. Angle will present on this. Pi by 2. Here pi. Minus pi by 2, because inverse trigonometry functions, angles on y axis, numbers on x axis. First, y equal to cos inverse x graph. If x value 0, cos inverse of 0. Now cos inverse of 0 means condition is very simple, or if we take minus 1. Now if we take cos inverse of minus 1 means cos is minus 1 at which angle? Pi. Next, if we take pi by 2. Now before taking pi by 2, we need to take x value how much? 0. Now x value 0 means cos inverse of 0. Cos is 0 at which angle? Pi by 2. Condition wise, the values will go like this. Next, 1 if we take, cos inverse of 1 means cos 1 at which angle? 0. That means y value will become 0. This is a curve. It will go like this. It will come wave. If you extend means you will get like this. This is which one? Y is equal to cos inverse x. Next, sin inverse x. If we take 0, x 0, sin inverse of 0 also 0, y also 0 will get. X value 1, sin inverse of 1, sin 1 at which angle? Pi by 2. Y value pi by 2 will get. If we take minus 1, you will get minus pi by 2. This is which one? Y is equal to sin inverse x graph. Next, one more is there, that is which one? We need y is equal to minus pi x cube. First x value 0, y also 0. X value minus 1 whole cube, minus 1, minus of minus, plus. Here only will come. If we take 1, you will get minus pi, but it is not required. This is a curve, you will get like this. This is which one? Y is equal to minus pi x cube graph. But we need to find area between minus 1 to plus 1 condition wise, but minus 1 to plus 1 complete area we won't get, because the area, this is area between only cos inverse and sin inverse, but we need area between all three curves and from minus 1 to plus 1, but this area is won't come only up to here. But this point we don't know. What is the point? Exactly we don't know. That point we need to find out. How to find? At that point which are intersecting? Y is equal to cos inverse and sin inverse. We need to solve these two equations. Now by equating these two, cos inverse x equal to sin inverse x. Cos and sin both are equal at which value? X value, not angle. Inverse trigonometry, okay na? X value how much will get? 1 by root 2. X value 1 by root 2 means y value what will come? If you substitute in any equation, cos inverse of 1 by root 2, that is pi by 4. This point is 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4. That means area is required part is minus 1 to 1 by root 2, but y value also we got here condition wise. Now doing with respect to x-axis is very difficult. We will convert this all equations in terms of y. From 1, x in terms of y means cos y. From 2, x equal to sin y. From 3, y by minus pi, that is minus y by pi, x cube equal to minus y by pi, x equal to whole power minus 1 by 3, that means minus y by pi whole power 1 by 3 cube root. Negative power odd root is minus only will come, no issue. Why I am converting with respect to y is easy. Cos inverse integration again I have to do for both UV formula, lengthy will come. Here observe clearly. This region is existed along with respect to y axis where to where? 0 to pi, this curve is clearly is there. From 0 onwards up to pi, which curve is there? Minus pi x cube, but it is there left side of y axis, that's why we need to take modulus. Next, the consideration wise, two terms is there here. From 0 to pi by 4, this is y value. 0 to pi by 4, which curve is there? Only sin inverse x graph. Next, from pi by 2 to pi by 4 to pi by 2, which curve is there? Cos inverse x. I am repeating again, this point is 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4 means this x value, this length is 1 by root 2, this height is pi by 4. That means on y axis, this angle is pi by 4 clearly. Now we need to find this area. For finding this area, now value what is required here, for which part we don't want exactly, we need to find that. See clearly, 0 to pi, this complete curve is there. That's why we will take this in terms of y. No issue but left side. These two also include from where to where, 0 to pi by 4 sine graph, pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos graph include, but when you take 0 to pi, this unshaded part also will exist. That's why from pi by 2 to pi, we need to remove which graph? Cos graph. Total 4 parts is there here, which are adding here. We have to observe 0 to pi, this one adding modulus, 0 to pi by 4 sine graph, pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos graph, but from pi by 2 to pi, this unshaded part we don't want, we need to remove. That's why required region or required area. First, why I am taking modulus, understand? Because this left side of is there, this curve from 0 to pi, this complete curve means including unshaded part also will come. Okay. Now, from where to where? 0 to pi in terms of y. Minus y by pi whole power 1 by 3 into dy. Which part we need to remove? Pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi, which curve is there here? Cos graph. Already cos we changed. Minus integral pi by 2 to pi cos y dy. But when you take in 0 to pi, only this part is covered. But from 0 to this one, these values we don't know, we need to find those values. From where to where? 0 to pi by 4 with respect to y, which curve is the sine graph? That's why plus 0 to pi by 4 sine y dy plus pi by 4 to pi by 2, which curve is there? Cos y dy. Those values including in the area. Okay. Y power 1 by 3 integration 1 by 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Here is constant, modulus of negative is positive, no problem, minus y power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 into pi power 1 by 3. Limits is from 0 to pi. Integral of cos sin y from pi by 2 to pi. This is minus, integral of sin is minus cos 0 to pi by 4 plus sin y. From where to where? Pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now modulus of negative will get positive, no issue. Upper limit substitute minus pi power 4 by 3. This 4 by 3 becomes reverse 3 by 4 by pi power 1 by 3. For lower limit 0 only, no need to take here, leave it. Upper limit sin pi 0, sin 90 1 minus cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 1 plus sin 90 1 sin 45 1 by root 2. Modulus of negative positive 3 by 4. Pi power 4 by 3 take into numerator means 1 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 3 by 3 cancel. Minus of minus plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2. This is what? 3 pi by 4. How many ones? 3. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 minus root 2. Now in which option is there? Check once. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. A region which part we need to remove? 0 to pi. When you curve this one, pi by 2 to pi, this also which side is the left side? So left side means value becomes negative, but to get positive we need to take modulus here also. Don't forget to take. So mod take. Now it will becomes mod of minus 1 is 1 only. So total minus 1. Now you will get correctly required value. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Remaining what? Only plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2, that is 3 pi by 4 plus 1 minus root 2, that is option D is the correct one. Why I am taking for second term also mod means this also left side of curve is there, line is there, y axis. So we need to take modulus because value will get negative. To get positive value area we need to take modulus for second term also. Next 112, the area enclosed by y equal to x square plus cos x and its normal at where x equal to pi by 2 in the first quadrant. We need to find value. Okay, now see in this curve y equal to x square plus cos x graph we need to draw first, then you can understand exactly which reason we need to find. X value 0, we are taking angles on x axis pi by 2 pi, next value is 3 pi by 2 2 pi, some plus pi by 2 if add means 5 pi by 2 up to that. The curve whatever you are taking, x value 0 0, cos 0 1, that's why 1 will get. This is also like a parabola will come condition wise shape. If you take different values, this is a curve will exist. By taking values you will get pi by 2, if you take pi square by 4 cos pi by 2 0, pi square by 4 approximately you will get below of value, more than that value you will get. Pi square means 3.14 whole square, 9 point something will come, by 4 we need to make. Okay, now 2 point something will get, 9 point something by 4 means what, 2 point something will get, that's more only. Like that we by taking values, this is a curve we will get, y is equal to x square plus cos x. Now we need to find the normal, but this tangent normal concept is still not over. That will come in application of derivative concept. How to find any equation of tangent or normal for the curve? We need to differentiate. Now find out y value also. At x equal to pi by 2, y value what? Here pi square by 4 cos pi by 2 0. The point is clearly x value pi by 2, y value pi square by 4. To find equation of normal, we need to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x, but while asking competitive problems, they'll ask mixed concepts, that's why. dy by dx equal to x square derivative 2x, cos derivative minus sin. Slope of the tangent or tangent of the curve is derivative of the curve at the point we called as the slope of the tangent. That's why slope of tangent, that we take symbol is m. How to find dy by dx at x value or point. Pi by 2 substitute here, 2 into pi by 2 pi, sin pi by 2 1, that is a pi minus 1 is the slope of tangent we got, but we need equation of normal. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Tangent normal both are perpendicular to each other, that's why equation of normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus, this is the point x1 and y1, minus pi square by 4 equal to minus 1 by m is pi minus 1 into x minus pi by 2. Condition wise, what you are taking values. In this, we need to find area between the curve and the normal. Normal equation we need to find here. The normal equation is cross multiply, what will you get? Or y minus pi square by 4. If you multiply minus here, what will you get? 1 by 1 minus pi into x minus pi by 2. This is a line we are taking consideration wise. Y equal to, send this pi square by 2 here, this side, x minus pi by 2 by 1 minus pi plus pi square by 4. Now where this normal, if you take tangent at pi by 2 only we are taking, this is the tangent we can draw. Tangent means a line which is touching the curve at only single point. Normal we need to draw here. Normal how to draw? Perpendicular to this tangent. But where this is intersecting the x-axis we don't know. This is normal. How to find this normal? This is normal equation. On x-axis, y value 0. X value we don't know how much because this value we want limits. Y0 means x minus pi by 2 by 1 minus pi plus pi square by 4. Now this one completely take this side, pi minus pi square by 4 equal to x minus pi by 2 by 1 minus pi. Cross multiply, minus pi square by 4 into 1 minus pi equal to x minus pi by 2. Multiply inside, what will get? Minus pi square by 4 minus of minus plus pi cube by 4 equal to x minus pi by 2. Send this pi minus pi by 2 this side, what will get? X is equal to minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 4 plus pi by 2. This is a value, we will get x value exactly. Now for this x value we need to find lower limit is this much we got, upper limit. Okay, here x value minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 4 plus pi by 2. This is if you simplify you will get more than 360 only, in between 360 and 5 pi by 2. Here the region between the curve and the normal and the x-axis. I will make into two parts. This is one region. I will take this is points like A, B, C and this is G. This is clearly right angle triangle to find this region. To find this value only we are taking like this. X value how much here? Minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 4 plus pi by 2. For that only we simplified this value. Okay, na? Because to find the length of this one from this complete value from 0 to C point, x value how much? Minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 4 plus pi by 2. To find only AC, we need to remove this pi by 2. OC, okay na? To find the AC value. Now, we will find the region. A1 from where to where is there? 0 to pi by 2, only the curve is involved. We can integrate by using integration concept. The required area equal to A1, this I will take A2. A1 plus A2. A1 is area of region OABDO plus A2 area of triangle, which one? ABC, triangle ABC, right angle triangle. Height we know already. Height means this is y. This B point already we know what? Point pi by 2 comma pi square by 4. That means horizontal. Here horizontal length is pi by 2. Vertical length is generally point means horizontal is x. Vertical value is y. Height we know already. So here area of region ABDO means from where to where? 0 to pi by 2. Both are x limits. X limits means curve also in terms of x is there. X square plus cos x into dx. Area of triangle half into, what is the base of this one? AC. Height is AB. Integrate this. X cube by 3 integral of cos is sine from 0 to pi by 2. I will find out AC value. AC means OC minus OA. OC length already we know from O to C. X value how much already is there? Minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 3 plus pi by 2. OA length is pi by 2. Now pi by 2 cancel. We will get minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 4 is the AC length, AB is pi square by 4, already we know. Half into minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 4 into AB length is height of the triangle, that is pi square by 4. Upper limit substitute here, pi by 2 whole cube, pi cube by 2 cube, that is 8 into 3. Sin pi by 2, 1. 0 cube 0, sin 0 also 0, no need to take. If you multiply inside this, what you will get here? Now 2 is there, total what here? Pi square by 8 into minus pi square by 4 plus pi cube by 4. Now this is pi cube by 24 plus 1 minus pi power 4 by 32 plus pi power 5 by 32. If write order wise, pi power 5 by 32 minus pi power 4 by 32 plus pi cube by 24 plus 1 is the answer, that is C in option D is the correct one. Next, question number 113. These models are mixed concept, that's why you are getting lengthy. No shortcut for this. The area bounded by the curve y square into 2 minus x equal to x cube and x equal to 2. For these two curves we need to find the region. Now we will draw the graph first, you can understand easily. X is equal to 2 I will take here. Y-axis here 1. X value 1 if you substitute. X1, y square into 2 minus 1, 1 equal to 1. Y equal to, you will get plus or minus 1. Reason, y square equal to 1 will get, plus or minus 1 will get. Next, x value 0. Y square into 2 minus 0, that is 2 equal to 0. So y square equal to 0, y also 0. That means when x is 0, y also 0. But x cannot be 2. Reason, if you take 2, 2 minus 2, the y completely vanish. There is no meaning of the equation. That's why the y 2 is the x equal to is the infinite line for this one. That's why the curve will get like this. But do not touch the area. We need to find both parts, areas. But each below part and above part are symmetric to each other. So O, A, B, condition wise. Here I will convert this curve completely in terms of x. If you take x means what you will take here, the value wise. Y square equal to x cube by 2 minus x. Y means what? Square root of this. That means x power 3 by 2 by under root of 2 minus x. This one we can't integrate this directly. Reason is from where to where is there? From 2 to up to infinity. Not here or 0 to infinity take with respect to x. With respect to y means here to take like this. But y means difficult again converting like values. We can't convert also completely in terms of x. Y. So 0 to 2. This area, whatever reason curve is there, curve value is there, 0 to 2 towards positive side. But we need both areas, that's why double time will take. So required area 2 times of integral 0 to 2. What curve is there? X power 3 by 2 by root of 2 minus x dx. We are taking from 0 to 2, curve dx. The curve what in terms of x we are taking, but we are not able to integrate this by directly. We can't integrate by taking any concept, any symbol. This integration is very, very difficult. But if we take one substitution, we can simplify this. What is the substitution is? First of all, we need to remove the square root. How to remove? If I take x value is 2 sin square theta, 2 common, 1 minus sin square is cos square. Square root will be cancelled. That's why I am substituting x is equal to 2 sin square theta value is. Okay. Now dx derivative 2 into 2 sin theta into cos theta into d theta. That is dx equal to, what you will take here, 4 sin theta into cos theta d theta. I will change the limits. Lower limit 2 sin square theta equal to x value how much? 0. Sin square theta is 0, then theta value what will come? 0. Upper limit 2 sin square theta equal to 2, sin square theta equal to 1, sin theta equal to 1, theta equal to how much? Pi by 2. Sin 1 not which angle? Pi by 2 will take. Now the required area 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. In the place of x I will substitute 2 sin square theta, that is 2 power 3 by 2 sin square theta whole power 3 by 2. Separately apply for each and everything. By under root of 2 minus 2 sin square, I will take 2 common. 2 common means what will get? 1 minus sin square theta. Dx value what? 4 sin theta into cos theta into d theta. 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. 2 power 3 by 2 means root 8. Root 8 means what? 2 root 2. A square cancel, sin cube theta. Into 4 sin theta into cos theta into d theta by root 2. 1 minus sin square is cos square. Root of cos square is cos theta. Directly I am writing here. Cos gets cancelled. Root 2 cancel. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. That is 16 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4 theta d theta. We have formula integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power n theta or x, no problem, nx into dx equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on 1 by 2. If you got means we need to multiply pi by 2 where n is even. Similarly n minus 1 by n reduction formulas, n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on 2 by 3 into 1 and 2 by 3 if you got, we need to multiply with 1 where n is odd. This is 2 are the reduction formulas we given in definite integrals chapter. Okay, n is 4 only na, even number, that's why 16 into n minus 1, that is 3 by 4 into n minus 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 4 minus 2, 2. 1 by 2 got. If you got 1 by 2, immediately we need to multiply with pi by 2. That's all answer. If you simplify, you will get the answer. 16 into 3 pi by 16. 16 cancel. Answer is 3 pi. That is option D is the correct one. Now exercise in areas chapter application of integrals, given only few questions. That's why you are discussing archive questions also, previous year questions. Now in archives, which are areas, only those questions I am discussing. Sixth one, y equal to f of x makes positive intercepts 2 and 0 unit on x and y axis. Enclosed an area is 3 by 4 square units with the axis. Then integral of 0 to 2x into f dash of x dx value we need to find. Intercepts on x and y axis is 2 and 0. That means x value 2 but y value 0. Intercept is 0. Intercept means what? When the line cuts the or curve cuts the axis at any one point, distance from origin to that point we called as intercept. Y0 means what? Which is 0? F of 2 is 0 because x value 2, y0 means f of 2 value is 0 is clearly. They given area from where to where? 0 to 2, the curve what is there? F of x dx. This area is given 3 by 4 square units. Here I will find UV formula. From this we need to find integral 0 to 2 x into f dash of x dx. Use u is f of x, v dash I will take 1 into 1. U dash what you will get? F of x derivative f dash of x. V is integral of 1 dx, that is x. Substitute upper limit formula wise, f of x into x, limits 0 to 2 minus integral 0 to 1 f dash of x into v is x dx equal to 3 by 4. Substitute upper limit 2 into f of 2 minus 0 into f of 0 minus integral 0 to 1 x into f dash of x 0 to 2 0 to 2 f dash of x into dx equal to 3 by 4. Now f of 2 value how much? 0. 0 into anything is 0 minus integral 0 to 2 x into f dash of x into dx equal to 3 by 4. Now we need only this value, send this minus that side, we'll get the required value. Integral 0 to 2 x into f dash of x dx equal to minus 3 by 4, that is option D is the correct one. Next, question number 7. The area bounded by the curves y equal to log x to the base c, y equal to log of mod x to the base c, y equal to modulus of log x to the base c, y equal to modulus of log mod x to the base c. We need to find area between these all curves exactly. First we don't know graph of each one. Each one graph I will find first. Just a rough sketch I will draw. X value 1, y value 0. This is a curve we will get. But x cannot be 0, that's why we never touches the y axis. Next, another graph. Finally we will mix these graphs. 1, here minus 1. x1 log 1 0. Same, two curves you will get. X minus 1 also, log of minus 1 is plus 1, but log 1 value 0 will get. This is y is equal to log mod x to the base c graph. Next, third one. X 0. If we take x value 1, what will get? Log 1 0. That's 0 will come here, no problem. But x cannot be 0. We'll get like this. That means it never touches the curve. And x value if we take e, x e if we take, y value how much will get? 1. Because log e base e is 1, y value will get 1 only. So this is the graph of which one? Y is equal to mod of log x to the base c. Next, one more graph. Because directly we can't draw a graph, that's why we are taking all the graphs separated, then we can take the. Here for this again modulus. Mod of, for this mod of mod you are taking 0, 1, minus 1. If you take 1, log 1, 0. If you take e, is y value 1. Now, but why it is not touching the curve clearly? I will take minus e also here. X value minus 1. Log of mod of minus 1, 1 only. Log 1 is 0. So 0 here, no problem. Here also not touching the y axis. Reason, on y axis x value 0, log 0 is not defined. Minus e if we take log of mod of minus e, log e base e 1. So 1 will get. This is a graph of y is equal to mod of log mod x to the base c. These are 4 curves is there. We need to find the area bounded by these all 4 curves. That is a common region we are taking. Common graph for this 4. We can find the region which is the required region. The curves is all mixing. This is one curve, exactly notation wise. Two curves is commonly is there. These two lines are existed. So these two curves, what we are taking, that is exactly required part. Next here, this side also same. This is a extra whatever lines are passing. And below, these two lines are extending same manner from continuation here. So each region, this is the regions we need to find. This is y is equal to log x to the base c. One graph we are taking. This also required 4 parts. All parts are infinite length only. So 0 to 1 I will take. What is the curve is there here? Y is equal to log x to the base c. Condition wise we are taking. The y I will take modulus here. Modulus means it can be negative or positive. So to find the exact area, because this curve is there below of the x-axis, that's why from 0 to 1, this is the curve y is equal to log x. I will take modulus. Total area 4 times of integral 0 to 1. What is the curve is? Log x to the base c dx. Integral of log x already we know formula. What? X log x minus x, or x if you take common, x into log x minus 1 you will get. Plus c is not required here. Modulus of x log x minus x from 0 to 1. While integrating this, integrating is over. Next we have to by substituting limits, upper limit 1 log 1 0 minus 1 minus of, don't substitute 0 here condition wise. If you take 0 into this tending to 0, when x is tending to 0, 0 into some log never be 0, log 0 is not defined. So here tending to 0 means this value is always 0 will come minus 0. So here 4 into mod of minus 1, 4 into 1, answer is 4 square units. Reason, when limit extends to 0, x log x value is always 0 because it's tending to 0. So answer is 4 square units. That is option A is the correct one.